Good morning, students. Today, 10th of November 2020. As we are discussing chapter number 7, a visit to Cambridge. Okay, written by Firdaus Khan. In this story, the writer, he just give a meeting between two extraordinary people. Meeting of two extraordinary people. Both the people were disabled one. Okay, or we can say differently abled. Stephen Hawking, one of the famous greatest scientists of our time. He suffers from a paralysis that confines him to a wheelchair and allows him to speak only by punching buttons on a computer. Second person is Firdaus Khan. He himself is a writer as well as journalist who lives and works in Mumbai. Khan was born with brittle bones problem and he was like the same problem with, and he was also in the wheelchair. Okay, so this is a short introduction of your chapter. Let us revise the previous portion what we have discussed in the earlier class. The earlier England was important to the author only because there was Cambridge. According to the author Nestle Doska, England was very much important for him because Cambridge University was lying there. Now it had a greater appeal for him. He had met Stephen Hawking there in the Cambridge during his walking tour. फिरदौस खान ने अपने वॉकिंग टूर पर स्टीफन हॉकिंग से मुलाकात की. Stephen Hawking is a disabled person, handicapped person, है ना, अपंग इंसान है. He is the successor of Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton तो आप जानते ही होंगे कि कितने फेमस साइंटिस्ट. उन्होंने उन्हीं की आइडियोलॉजी, उन्हीं के मोटिवेशनल व्यूज, थॉट से इंस्पायर होके अपने लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाया. Stephen Hawking is a brilliant astrophysicist, and he has written a book which named A Brief History of Time. उन्होंने एक बुक लिखी, इस बुक का नाम था A Brief History of Time. And that book, that is the biggest bestseller at that time. वो book बहुत सेल हुई. The tour was over. The writer after that phoned to Stephen Hawking's house. Hawking's assistant attended the telephone call. He told the assistant that he had come from India. ने बताया कि वो कहाँ से आए हैं, इंडिया से आए हैं. And he also added that he was also in a wheelchair. ये भी बताया असिस्टेंट को कि वो भी wheelchair में है. He mentioned that he wanted to write a book about his travels in Britain. उसने असिस्टेंट को बताया कि वो एक बुक लिखना चाहते हैं जो ट्रैवलिंग इन ब्रिटेन के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं. Then he expressed his desire to see Stephen Hawking. The time for his meeting, the professor was fixed, and it was from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Time क्या रखा गया? 3:30 to 4 o'clock. So this much we have finished in our previous class. Now let's proceed to page number 101. Right? Page number 101, second paragraph. And suddenly what happened? I felt weak all over. Growing up disabled, you get fed up with people asking to be the brave as if you are a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw check. Okay. Suddenly, what happened? Firdaus. Okay. Firdaus felt very uncomfortable, very weak. Maybe the reason meeting with the same person, with a disabled person, maybe make him a weak, nervousness. एक ऐसे इंसान से मुलाकात करना जो बिल्कुल उसी की तरह था, but फिर भी उसे एक nervousness, weakness लग रहा था. And he was always becoming irritated when people is asking the same questions to that type of people. एक ही चीज सवाल पूछते रहते हैं ऐसे लोगों से. The only thing that makes you stronger is seeing somebody like you. अपने आप में अगर आप मजबूत रहते हो तो आप अपनी तरह दूसरों को भी समझे. आप अपने से कम या ज्यादा दूसरे को ना समझे. Then you know how much is possible and you reach out further than you ever thought you could be. तब आप अचीव कर सकते हैं. जब भी हम being a human being, हम हमेशा अपने आगे वाले ओपोनेंट को या तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग या तो बहुत वीक समझते हैं. हम उसको इक्विवेलेंट नहीं समझते. आप इक्विवेलेंट समझेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी जो नर्वसनेस है वो सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा. So according to Firdaus Khan, it should be there. He is the opinion that we should not have to feel very nervous or weak in front of everyone. But today, he is feeling very weak. Next lecture. I haven't been brave, said his disembodied computer voice the next room. I have had no choice. Surely I wanted to say that living creatively with the reality of his disintegrating body was a choice. Living creatively with this body, living creatively, कुछ creatively रहने का style with this body means disabled look is really no options with it. कोई options नहीं आपको करना है. A normal human didn't like to do or didn't like to suppose to think like that. एक normal human में ये चीज नहीं सोचता है कि thinking or doing creatively with this body is also very unimaginable. But I kept quiet because I felt guilty. Okay, I felt guilty every time I spoke to him, forcing him to respond. Firdaus Khan is just telling that he always felt guilty when he responded. Then he was tapping at the little switch in his hand, trying to find the words in the computer with the only bit of movement left to him, his long, pale fingers. Then Firdaus Khan, he just observed Stephen Hawking, the finger, the switch. कि वो बोल नहीं पा रहे थे, वो स्विच बटन से कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे सब कुछ चीज दिखता था. क्या ना कैसे क्लिक कर रहे हैं. Everything was there in the front screen of the computer. And he was able to do all the unimaginable things. So often, his eyes would shut in frustration, exertion. Every steps. फिरदौस खान कहते हैं कि हर कदम पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि स्टीफन हॉकिंग को देखते कि उनकी आंखों में चमक थी, कुछ करने का एक जुनून था, वो दिख रहा था. And sitting just opposite him, I could feel his anguish. The mind beyond, active mind, with the thoughts that come out in frozen phrases and sentences taped to corpses. Okay, it presents out a different thing like that, which gives corpses means dead bodies. It gives us such every time with the new ideas, with the new thoughts, which came out from a frozen phrase. Frozen means एक ऐसे इनएक्टिव चीज से एक्टिवनेस पे आना, ठीक है ना. स्टिफनेस के आना, एक बॉडी से डेड बॉडी पे जाना, डेड बॉडी टू बॉडी पे आना, एक्टिवनेस होना चाहिए. वो चीज मुझे स्टीफन हॉकिंग में दिखी. स्टीफन हॉकिंग एक तरह से बॉडीली अनफिट पर्सन, बट उनकी एक्टिवनेस, उनका बियॉन्ड एक्टिव थॉट, वो इतना सुपर पावरफुल, इनक्रेडिबल, अद्भुत था. वर्ड्स में भी अगर हम चाहें तो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. Lot of people seem to think that disabled people are chronically unhappy. I said. Firdaus is saying that lots of people, many people have the view, they have their opinion that disabled people are chronically unhappy. वो लोग ना खुश होते हैं अपने जीवन से, ऐसा फिरदौस का कहना है। अधिकतर लोगों का ये मानना है कि जितने भी हैंडीकैप पर्सन होते हैं, डिसेबल्ड पर्सन होते हैं, वो नाखुश होते हैं अपने जीवन से। I know that's not true myself. Doss is saying that in my case it is not true. Are you often laughing inside? क्या आप अंदर से हंसते हैं, मुस्कुराते हैं like that? Now page turn. Right. Page turn. About 3 minutes later, he responded, I find it amusing when people patronize me. Now, Stephen Hawking is saying that I just find it amusing. I find it amusing when people patronize me. Okay, when people just support me. Amusing to see that. When people support, when people try to give any help, when people try to show any sympathy. And do you find it annoying when someone like me comes and disturbing your work? When a normal human being is doing any work, if someone come, enter and disturb that doing, our reaction is there at the same time. As same thing is happened with the disabled person also. But they didn't try to show that type of reaction. हम नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग जब भी हम कुछ काम करते हैं, अगर हमें कोई डिस्टर्ब करता है, इरिटेट करता है, तो हम भी बहुत ज्यादा पैनिक हो जाते हैं, गुस्से में आ जाते हैं। तो क्या ये चीज आप डिसेबल पर्सन के लिए नहीं सोच सकते हैं? उनके साथ भी ऐसे होता है। Asking same question every time doesn't it make them irritated? एक ही सवाल उनके जीवन में बार बार पूछा जाता है, क्या उससे वो इरिटेट नहीं हो सकते? हो सकते। The answer flashed yes. Then he smiled his one-way smile, and I knew, without being sentimental, okay, without being sentimental or silly, that I was looking at one of the most beautiful men in the world. One of the most beautiful men in the world. A first glimpse of him is shocking. वो झलक, उनकी वो झलक एक शॉक करती है, अम्यूज करती है, because he is like a still photograph, बिल्कुल constant photograph की तरह से खड़े, no movement, as if all those pictures of him in magazine and newspapers have turned their 3 dimensions. Okay. Then you see, next paragraph, then you see that the head twisted sideways into a slump, the torso, upper part of the body. The torso shrunk inside the pale blue shirt, the wasted legs. You look at his eyes, which can speak still, and they are saying something huge and urgent. It is hard to tell what, but you are shaken because you have seen something you never could be seen. So here today we have seen that the meeting with the Firdaus and the Stephen Hawking interview began in the proper time. The writer felt that the disabled got very fed up asking the people the same question. But these people, they become very strong on seeing somebody like them achieving something huge. Stephen Hawking जब देखते हैं अपने के सामने वाला ऐसा है, उन्हीं की तरह है और उसने अचीव किया, उन्हें बहुत खुशी होती। The computer voice replied that Professor Stephen hadn't ever been brave. Computer reply करता है उनका कि वो brave, प्रोफेसर स्टीफन हॉकिंग कभी भी बहादुर नहीं रहा, उनके पास कोई चॉइस ही नहीं थी। पहली बात, the writer told him that most people think that the disabled person कैसे होते हैं, हमेशा नाखुश रहते हैं। He asked Hawking if he found this amusing. The voice replied that he found Amusing when people support him. है ना, वो लिख रहे हैं कंप्यूटर में कि जब people को support करते हैं तो he become very amused. Then the writer asks the question. Writer ने question क्या पूछा? What about himself? अपने बारे में बताएं. He asked whether he felt annoyed when people like him disturb. उसने पूछा कि आप annoyed हो जाते हैं जब आपको people disturb करते हैं? The answer flashed yes. Hawking smiled and giving the each and every answer very politely and humbly. Her answer बहुत smilingly में थे. So Hawking appeared to the writer as one of the Hawking अपने विदोष के सामने एक वर्ल्ड का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल मैन के रूप में प्रेजेंट किया उसने. The writer was shaken by his first glimpse. Writer वाकई में बहुत शेक किया उसकी ये छवि को देख के उसे बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ. He seemed only a skeleton that. He seemed to be like a skeleton, nothing is there. But the image of Stephen Hawking made him shocked. Shocked कर दिया कि the image views अभी तो सिर्फ एक दो क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट है और उसमें उसकी इमेज इतनी अच्छी थी. Student, this much we have completed today. Tomorrow we can again conclude the chapter, preceding the chapter. Okay, so I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you.